If you live in a hot and humid place, you already know the struggle. Sunscreen feels sticky, heavy, sweaty, and honestly annoying. Most people skip sunscreen not because they don't care about their skin. They skip it because everything on the market feels uncomfortable. Let me just say this. If you've been avoiding sunscreen just because of that heavy, sticky feeling, this review might finally solve your problem. I got Fusion Water Magic SPF 40 for my husband. So I got this sunscreen for my husband. He is like the biggest hater, like sunscreen hater in the house. He doesn't like to layer so many products. He doesn't like the sticky feeling and the greasiness that comes along with it. But surprisingly, this time he ended up loving this. And I have to admit it, I may have secretly used it more than he did. So today I'm breaking down why this formula feels insanely lightweight, why it could be the best choice if you're living in humid climate, how has my experience been using it on my oily skin, especially when I'm stepping out in the real humid weather, some scientific data behind its ingredients, and whether it's worth your money or not. So let's go. So let me just go back to the point, why I bought this. I bought this for my husband, who will not use a sunscreen until and unless it is, mandatory or it feels like air. Even gel sunscreens annoy him and, everything feels too much for his skin. I have used their tinted Fusion water before. I loved it and I've heard great feedback from friends for this one. So I bought this non-tinted version specifically for him. And guess what? He liked it because it feels like nothing on the skin. No heaviness, no greasiness, no sticky film, no white cast. And yes, since it was in the house, I couldn't resist myself and I used it a few times, or I should say a lot of times. This review comes from both sides. Someone who hates sunscreen texture, my husband, and someone with oily skin living in extreme humidity, me. So I live in a place where humidity starts indoors. The sun, the heat is harsh even when, I'm not directly outside. And the time if I step out in the daytime, my skin gets super oily, super shiny. So for daytime, I need sunscreens that don't feel heavy, don't feel sticky, don't make me greasy, don't clog pores, don't sting, and layer well under makeup or a tint. And you see, most sunscreens feel heavy because they rely on thicker emollients or film formers to keep the UV filters stable. However, this one uses a different approach. It has more water-based fluidity plus low residue emollients plus silica for a smooth, dry touch feel. Let me break down the formula simply. The UV filters here are octocrylene, homosalate, octisalate, and avobenzone, which are common chemical filters, but the vehicle that's used in the formula makes it feel weightless. That spreads super evenly without the sunscreen film. And before you panic seeing filters, all of these filters, octocrylene, homosalate, octisalate, and avobenzone, I get it. I also worry about what I put on my skin, especially when I'm recommending it to my husband. But here's the reality. These filters are approved by the FDA, and while the FDA says more research is needed, most of the existing studies aren't done on real humans in real life conditions. And on top of that, European regulations are even more stricter, and this formula stays well within their limits. For example, octocrylene is allowed up to 10%, and this formula uses only up to 9%. Homosalate is allowed up to 7.34%. This has 7.3%. Octisalate is allowed up to 5%, and this has 4.5%. Avobenzone is allowed up to 5%, and this has only 2.7%. So all these ingredients are comfortably inside the safety limits. So I don't see a real reason to get, to panic and reject this sunscreen outright. The other ingredient here is silica, which gives you that, soft, matte, silky kind of feel, that non-greasy feel. It doesn't take long to get absorbed in the skin. It actually feels like this formula is, it just becomes invisible on your skin. It's also got hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. And because of these two ingredients, I feel, sunscreens that have this kind of, feel to it, this kind of liquid feel to it, after maybe an hour or two, they tend to dry out your skin. But this formula keeps your skin nourished and soft even hours after application. Because as we all know, hyaluronic acid pulls water and vitamin E adds that light moisturization without oiliness. It's also got this Mediterranean algae extract, which is an antioxidant, helps with environmental stress and photoaging. It's also got dimethicone, and because of that, it feels very comfortable on the skin. It keeps your skin soft without feeling your skin heavy and, forming that thick layer on the skin. And I've tested it several times. It's great under makeup too. It's non-comedogenic and non-irritating to the eyes. And this is very important if you're living in humid climate, you sweat, sunscreen runs into your eyes, which could be a disaster. And with this one, you are sure not to experience this ever again because this does not sting at all. Altogether, this is why it works beautifully for people who hate those sticky, heavy sunscreen texture. Since we're talking about the texture, let's get into a little bit of detail. The texture is watery, jelly, but not runny. It spreads instantly, absorbs instantly, and the finish is natural. It's not matte, not dewy, just skin-like. It literally feels like a light moisturizer, no heaviness, no sticky residue, no itchiness, no sweat film feeling. Your skin looks hydrated but not shiny, and the best part I like about it, it doesn't get oilier as the day goes by. On makeup days, it's perfect under foundation, no pilling, no patchiness. On no makeup days, however, I layer it with a tinted sunscreen or a thin layer of foundation because if you're brown skin, you need iron oxides particles to give you that protection from the visible light. As I mentioned, many lightweight sunscreens make your skin feel tight after 2 to 3 hours, or maybe when you're stepping into air-conditioned environments, they feel tight and your skin feels dry, but this one doesn't. There is no stretchy feeling at all, even in AC environments. Now, who should buy this? It is great for oily, combination, sensitive, normal skin, for men who hate heavy products, anybody living in a hot and humid climate. It may not be ideal for people who want, only mineral filter sunscreen, or somebody who wants a matte finish sunscreen. The sunscreen is honestly one of the easiest daily use formulas I have tried. It's hydrating without being sticky. It's weightless without drying your skin. It doesn't irritate, doesn't pill, doesn't make you sweaty, and it doesn't feel like a typical sunscreen. That's the best part. If heavy sunscreens have kept you away from sun protection, this sunscreen is worth trying. And if you have someone in your house who refuses to use sunscreen, this product might convert them. So let me know in the comments if you have used this sunscreen before, how has your experience been, or you're going to buy this after seeing this review. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it and enjoy it. And that is all for today's video. This is Neha signing off. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.